Every once in a while, we'll get a motorcycle in here at Unique Classic Cars. This particular one is actually a Trike 2008 Yamaha Royal Star Venture. This is a Hannigan Trike conversion with front rake. Has a 1300cc V4, 4-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Previous owner of this Trike actually had it for the last 12 years. Highway cruiser form, 47,861 miles on it. Take your time looking through the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. Down in the description, a link will take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We'll start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. A deep maroon color, and you can see it does have some of the protective tape on the rear fenders. Also has an LED lighting system, kind of show lights underneath it. Chrome rear wheels, disc brakes, dual exhaust, storage space in the rear, a couple different trunks on this one. Also stereo system, cruise. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stadium style seating on it. A lot of chrome and bright work. Let's go ahead and check this dash out a little bit closer. And like I said, we'll fire it up. Didn't notice a small little ding right here. Point that out. All right, there's your exact miles. You can see that 47,861. We're in neutral. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll also have a phone holder on it here. Stereo system. Did have that working also. Volume will be out here. These lights are not flashing. That's due to the phase of the camera, just so you know. That right there is normal. Good sounding Trike. (2008) Yamaha Royal Star Venture. Again, Hannigan Trike conversion with front rake. Clean Carfax. Actual miles. No accidents indicated. Be a good time. Call us 507-386-1726. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Give us a call.